Hello, this video will give you a few pointers on how to be successful in watching the tutorial videos for this class. If you're following along with one of the video tutorials and your project isn't quite working out in the same way that you see on the screen, then check on the different parts of the software to make sure that your settings match what you're seeing in the tutorial. For example, look over here on the left in the Tools palette and be sure that the icon you have selected is the same as what you see in the tutorial. Also, look over here to the right in the Styles menu. Check that your colors are the same as in the tutorial for the fill and for the stroke. Look over here in the drop-down for Effect and be sure that yours is the same as in the tutorial. Check the Layers palette. Be sure that you have the same layer selected as in the tutorial. Another area to look closely at is down here in the timeline, including these little icons over here to the left of the timeline. One other area that's very important to look into if you're having difficulty following along with the tutorial is up here in the Tools settings. You'll want to make sure that your settings match what you see in the tutorial, and this will change depending on which tool is selected over here in the Tools palette. For example, if I change one right now, you'll see that there are a different set of items. Be sure that whatever may be checked, you have checked as well, or if there's something that is not checked in the tutorial, then be sure yours is not checked. And I'll be getting into much more detail on how to use all of this in the next several lessons. So that's it for now, and you can move on to the next tutorial.